episode 10. So, yeah, there's that. And let's go over some of the revenue numbers and explain what online arbitrage is. So, yesterday we did about a little bit over 2K on Amazon, 44 cents from our second YouTube channel, and then about $2 in affiliates. So, let's just get into what online arbitrage is. And yeah, so let's get into it. So, what is OA? So, online arbitrage is basically you're just buying items from one place and then selling them at another place for a higher price. A lot of people try to overcomplicate it. It's really not too it's not too complicated. You literally just buy it from one place, sell it to the other. We'll actually be going over like the actual technical definition of online arbitrage, but I just want to show you guys a quick example. So, here on Lego, you can see that this product was $9.99. And then what this is, it's a profit calculator for Amazon. And you can see here, every single time somebody sells this, it's going to make them about $3 profit. And then it says that it sells around 55 times a month here. So yeah, that's at the very core level, that's what online arbitrage is. And we'll go to Investopedia. Guys, really quick, shout out to Investopedia. If you guys like ever have problems with, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that, but like if you guys ever have problems trying to understand like some of these difficult words, if you have a problem with the word arbitrage, like if you go up to anybody on the street and talk about arbitrage, like I looked it up, like not that many people know about it. Like they know it exists, but they don't know what the word arbitrage actually means. So I thought I'd kind of read it out here. So you can see that it's the simultaneous purchase and sale of the same asset in different markets in order to profit from tiny differences in the asset listed price. So what exactly does that mean? Maybe that sounds like gibberish to you. Like this channel is for any single person that maybe it's insanely hard for you to learn. I want everybody to succeed and learn here. So I'm going to show you guys an actual example of what arbitrage is so you can understand this word. So here we got lego.com. So you can see here, this is the product on lego.com. It is $9.99. I'm going to show you two different instances where, so this in the definition would be called an asset. So this is an asset that's $9.99, which just happens to be this Lego set as a taxi, right? And then, but on Amazon, this asset, so this is a different marketplace, right? Before it was on Lego's website, but now it's on Amazon. So you can see on Amazon, it's $20.80. So it's two different markets, right? But then the asset price changes. So you can see here, it's about $20. And I had my seller amp calculator over here. Basically, you get profit about $3 every time you sell it. So that's pretty cool. And then actually, another form of it too is you can sell it on Walmart. So a lot of people don't know that you can actually become a Walmart marketplace seller and start selling it on Walmart. So you can see here at our buy price of $9.99, every single time we sell this on Walmart, it's going to make us about $5 profit, which is pretty cool. It says it only sells 4 times a month, but this actually has a pretty decent amount of reviews. So it might sell a little bit more than that, but yeah, that's pretty much that example. So now we're going to get into the next thing. This is a really great method that I've made thousands of dollars off of, literally just buying products in one market and selling in the other market and making some money. So let's get into a little shameless plug here. So actually, how do you find these items to resell? I believe the easiest way as a complete beginner that has no idea what they're doing is just to join a cook group. What actually is a cook group? It's basically a group where leads are posted. Somebody might be calling it a leads list, might be calling it, a leads group, a bolo group. It's all the same exact thing. So this is my personal favorite one right now, which is Divine. So basically you join and then they have tons of leads. There's literally a sheet in their group that has over 3,000 leads, which is awesome. So let's go back here. So this is all the software that I use. So to run my business is all the software that I use. I keep it really simple, go over the tech stack really quick. I use Keepa that shows me how well products sell before I buy them. I have Seller Amp, which is this thing up here. And then I have Inventory Lab. Other people will tell you other software are better. Inventory Lab's the much industry standard. I've seen other people try to use other software. I would say the only thing is like if you're just beginning, you don't really need to know this, but like if you're doing a wholesale, you might want 2D workflow. But other than that, I would say every single person should have inventory lab. And then my repricers be cool. If you're like the average person that's just trying to do this, I would just get Be Cool. People are going to say like, "Oh, get Seller Snap." It costs an insane amount of money, and they're probably just trying to shove their affiliate code down your throat. But for the average person just getting started, just trying to have a decent repricer, I think Be Cool does really good off that. So you watch this video, maybe you have no idea, you've never done online arbitrage before, you have no idea how to even start this. Like, just make an Amazon account. So that's what I did when I first started. I watched a video kind of similar to this where someone was showing, oh, here's how you like buy here, sell here. And I was like, man, dude, I don't know how to do all this stuff. It was really intimidating at first. And all I gotta say is like, just go to this page. Just go to this page right here. So you go to this page on here. This is Amazon Seller Central. So you can sign up, and it says $40 a month here. You can sign up for $0. You literally sign up, and then you can select to not pay the $40 a month plan, where with the other plan, you pay $1 per item sold. And I would just say, like, just make an account. Like, I don't care where you're at financially. I personally would say just make an account, because the thing is, if you have an aged Amazon account, it really just helps. Like overall, there's a lot of benefits to it, and you'll be ready. So like when you're ready to start selling, you can start, selling on that account because you already made it. So I would just say just make. I'm begging you guys, like just make the account, right? Just make the account. You don't have to pay for the $40 a month plan right up front. Just make the account, because there's tons of people that are just an average Joe that have made an insane amount of money selling off of Amazon. And if you don't have a Amazon seller account, like it's costing you money. Uh, there was a article that I read, and it said the average person that opens up an Amazon account makes like $3,000 extra a year, which is absolutely insane. So I'm just saying, like, just just hit sign up, like just make the account, and yeah, I mean, just make the account. So if you guys watch this far, comment online arbitrage below. It really helps for the algorithm. We're on episode 10, guys. So yeah, we're just gonna try to keep it going.